Good morning, my shawmies. My shawmy. Nice an intro meeting. My shawmy le. All thanks to who? Him. Morning, guys, Ninjani, and welcome to a new vlog. Guys, I bought a tripod, but umuntu obehlala emotweni ngemuva uyithatha wayibeka lapha ebag, so angikhona ukuyifaka. But it's a tripod ebizani. It was 1K. It's not really a tripod, suction. It is a tripod, but suction. Uyayibeka nje noma kuphi lafuna ukuyibeka khona. And ngiyathanda ukuthi silicone akusiyo le ene glue leyo ithinga ka Temu Shein, yabo. Yeah. And this one is heavy. This phone very heavy mtakabawo, very. So manje I'm on my way to Naked Cherry ngiyowexa, but I have to pick up uNombuso kuqala because yana emsebenzini and then rush to Santan. I'm a few minutes late. Ngiyabona like I appointment yami, but I can see ukuthi by the time I get to Santan ngizobe sengilate. I have to call uLondi and ask her if she has another client after me. But ngisendleleni uyazi beku right yonke into ibi right kodwa manje kuyabanda bekushisa manje kuyabanda. Guys, let me tell you about my hair. Ethi ngiboqa ukuthi ngibukeka kanjani. So guys, ngizongikhola bangitshela ukuthi this is a sew in nanomi yiphi indlela oyibiza ngayo. This is sew in ngiyenze kuphi. You can take a wild guess. Ngiyenze kuphi? Azande Hand Beauty. Where did I get the bundles? Azande Hand Beauty. So if you're not doing so in kanje ngifake ne 2x6 closure la nje phezulu kuphela. So if you want this hairstyle, book me. Book your appointment, Tommy. And cabang anabona nje ngivuka angayinanga ngenza ngalutho ngikhiphe bonnet ngakama ngathi nje mzebenzini. And that's what I want. I-glue installation iyangihlula kabi. So and idla ne hairline. So yabo la ukuthi kanjani ngizoyiposta ku TikTok and see ukuthi here kuma shorts so that you can see ukuthi ngiyenze kanjani and why ngithi it's a protective hairstyle. Winter is here. Asifuna umuntu ozomosha inwele zakhe and angeke ngisagunda. Umncwabo uhlehlile. Guys, I'm so hurt. Sorry. I was saying I am so hurt because ngibona ukuthi Oyisa is divorcing mechanics. So ulonto uzanukhazi noma uyangisendela uthi ngiyazi ukuthi uzokhala. Ngiyayibona ngiyasho ukuthi so sad. And mechanics besingamazi ngaleyo ndlela like bengahleze ehlele ku channel yakho Oyisa, but siyamazi man, siyamthanda through Oyisa, yabo. My sister divorced. I was so hurt. Amadoda hate them down. Hate them. H word. Because what is this? Hey. Angisafuni mina ukushada. Ukujwala yebo ukushada cha. Angeke phela. Ngiyadlala guys, umshado yabantu ayifani like yabo just ngazi abantu abashadile aba happy. Ngiyakholela manje emshadweni. Ngiyakholela manje ukuthi okay, contact ukushada and ku-possible ukuthi possible ukuthi unjani, possible ukuthi uthole umuntu oright, yabo. Awonke umuntu right kufana na even with friendships kuyenza ukuthi uthole umuntu oright, kuyenza kungamtholi ungano right. So yonke into possible. Kaze ngifuna ukuthenga iTimberland. Ngifuna iTimberland man and you 5K. Angingicelela phela lo ngihlekisana naye ngithengele because angikwazi ukucela nama Timberland kunento serious. Hathi give me udanya. Azanda unqane wena ukucela into eseceleni lapho ufelwe imoto. Ngeke uzucela amasonto amasha, ngeke uzunjani. But ayibandla. Bye yini guys, ngizonibona. Slowly. Guys, I'm done. At some point I was sleeping. I'm gonna tell you. At some point I was sleeping. Actually, ungaskip appointment yakho kuwebsite because waskip washava. Your next appointment uyanya. Let's go to work. Number sulele emotweni shame. Kade ngithe ngilinde i-Uber. Outfits of the day. Ngilinde i-Uber la so ngangasho ukuthi u-Uber yokudla. So uthi i-Uber yapi leyo ngathi nathi ngeno bathi yokulesa. Kanjani mhlabeni? Hi my shamies, welcome back to another video, another vlog. If you are new here, welcome to Sibisangan. You are a shamies, ne? Shajab. Welcome to the family and grab a seat because you're not going anywhere. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi my shami. Guys, namhlanje ngiyaphi I'm wearing a clueless wig, so I don't know how I look because I'm putting sasemnyama and bengafuni ukukhanyisa because nombuso besalele. But you know I mean lezi ngiyaka Suzuki bengiskalile isikhathi because the place is literally 10 to 15 minutes away from my apartment, but it's like saying angizange ngibali driving ayizange ngibali driving, so bathi ngibe lapha ngo 7:30, but manje 7:30 I'm 5 minutes away, but because of traffic I'm 10 minutes away, so I'll be there around 20 to 8, and I hope bazongisiza still I can do things just a 4-way stop, because I believe that it's very unfair, because if one person siyakweqa game, like if itekisi izongena esikhaleni sakho iyakweqa lelo game leso sobona igibela nje layo, because ezinye imoto elandela usodlula because kwiside lakho sekudluliwe. It's annoying, but let's go. So ngintshela ukuthi ngiyenza ngaSuzuki ngiyoshintsha ilight, so kade ngisekhaya kade kuMemulo, one of my brothers washayisa imoto yami yafi light, so ngiyolungisa lelo light lelo. Yeah. I'm done at Suzuki. Now I see in Kombereko maritsa mairi Kombereko mbojom. Aritsa maying. I want to go to Nozamisbuga kanjani manje. It's fine. So today I was planning on relaxing my hair. I know, but I have to relax my hair. I have to. I really love Afro Yam, but ubhlungu, guys. No, I can't. I've been suffering. Afro is very gorgeous. You know, I'm a natural girly, but guys, I really sosha ngeke liwili sosha, and it's fine. Trust me, it's fine. The service was 10 out of 10. Laga Suzuki bangineze social media dala. Yeah, what a big truck. Let's go to work. I'll update you guys regarding relaxa kwami. changing my hair texture. The reason I'm doing that is because nails are I found really shungu guys. So I don't. I'm looking struggling and stuff. So so relax again. I'm a fallen soldier. ngirelaxile ngemizane base wangenza treatment ngingacelanga wathi ngiyadinga and then wangitrimma ney'nwele zami but I really needed the treatment because the last time ngenza treatment kwakuyinini sometime last year but towards the end of the year so bengiyidinga vele treatment wasesiya kuphakathi nonyaka. How much did I pay? I paid 1,000 rand. I think is it a lot or right? Well, mina bengithi izoba more kakhulu because khona la ngibone khona bethi i-treatment 500 and something, so bengithi kuzothi 500 and something plus the 750 lo ebe that's now. So let me go look for no buso. I'll show you my outfits and that's good that I'll show you. And I feel oh no. Yeah. My friend is fetching me. Not my man.
Oh.
What?
I don't know. Ugly.
Ugly? Copyrights. So I was saying, but I'm so hungry. I can't even think properly because I'm not being. 2, I'm going to go shoot at my garage. And then I'm going to shoot in mail. And then I'm shoot to Shein. Go Bushini. I'm going to upload Exas. Yes. And then Exasa, I'm getting Saluka because it's not fully booked. Sasa in the songs where I have to edit the videos they say are up. Well, edit it. OPP editing well. They can love. May say Sasa shingin saluka kusasa. Monday lo ebesenza ngilwa ngawo Dominic years.
I don't know because my issue is indlela okubukha ngayo kusasa. Like phandle mangathiwa khona kulawo ozobe enza i-luxury mawukuthi mhlawumbe koshawo 2 eseqedile mhlawumbe ngakwenza if kuwukuthi you are not doing something heavy.
Who? Oh mina ihestyle yami.
Yes.
Oh ngithi mina
if you are not doing something heavy
okay,
on yourself
no.
Then the person ozobe enza i-luxury
yena ungangenza.
yes that person can do
okay
yeah
at least accept the please.
yes and then because ekseni
Safuna picture garage mubonile
sisu akazi ungitshela mina ukuthi uya confirm ukuthi uyashoot eBP manje.
Yeah, thina siya salon so bese siqedile siyokwenza sisahamba
Manje
because mele ngushoot uBP mele ngushoot uDark and Lovely ngicabanga ngushoot uDark and Lovely ngesunlight then ilona then ukuba mnyama so kuhlala esalon ngeke ngenzele lutho ngina submission angaka and then nestina my deadline.
okay let's go to the salon and eat.
Yes,
and
so
then come to Elokhuzana and also to get the energy. Then come as a shooter OPP.
Yes, because I want to take pictures as well. So I want Instagram pictures because I love my outfit.
Your outfit is dope today.
Thank you. Yeah, restaurant I have the offer.
Namanje basatholile.
Yeah, that's really.
Oh damn.
That's really the show. It's fine.
Bayazazi sibafunani.
That's why I'm going to bahlukade WhatsApp.
Lo mncane.
Sabe gcabe bonke. Nami kumele ngigcabe cabanga khasi yagcaba.
Jomi.
So now masummitha.
Ngimithela bani?
Kade ungubani?
Ngiyaphi? Ngiyaphi ko?
So nasibonge ngangesaba kakhulu yes uma wangubani sivela
ngiyaphi ko ngubani nemino ngaphelele.
Yo.
Ngiyaphi ngifunani?
And uzoyayo kangubani wabekufuna. Chama untontshela kodwa la imoto
Ngintshela
hlekile and itshontshwe.
Ngintshontsheleni manje mina.
Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi le moto.
Ile uhamba oyelanda ngani?
Enye lehlala la imoto entshela ukuba la ibheke.
Intshontsho yini?
Yathi sami.
Okay, choma.
Ngomunye wabasola. Let me try and show you my outfits. So I'm shooting a campaign. Ngeke niqhume kumele singathi sithi Ngizabona ubusiness engwa.
Bazozwa lokho.
Ena. Azangisho njalo. Azangisho njalo.
Ubazele follow.
Oh, ngisimsifo.
Yabona ukuthi ukudla ngisazolamba. Phethi isikhathi.
Niphe.
She knows how to pose. Wow. She knows how to pose.
Yeah, Drum. Awuqala usiphathi uzophinda usiyeke.
Put on YouTube. So,
Are you searching? You reading?
I searched. Let me check. YouTube. Oh, teacher, man, you're shooting for YouTube.
Can I say hi? Come on, Mr. Video. You know when you just have a normal day and then we happen to have pictures on that day. I'm going to it's a serious photo shoot.
Got you.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Right. Fine.
Welcome, Jane.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
We're good. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello, vlog. Ninja.
Siyaphila.
You right?
We're right.
Subscribe.
Like and comment.
Oh, like and comment. Now, I got distracted. This is personal page.
Okay. I was thinking, just choose me.
Why? You don't trust yourself.
I've never had.
We are cooking.
I've never had behind the scene footage ever. That is nice. Joe. Look at this.
I think the system has proved that if we can continue. They say it's easy to get to the top, it's even more difficult.
So guys, angasema ngitshengisile indwele zami. But nice. Guys, I'm so happy with the result because I'm so happy. And then into engiyithanda ngalezi zinto ukuthi sengikwazi ukubopha igoda ngishingabe indaba zalutho. Yabo? Ngiyakuthanda konke lokho. Because leziyana. So far so good. Nama kenda utri. Iya. Kira aku lupa beda jiko aja. Hi guys. Guys, I've been sick and yeah. And then I told my boyfriend about here and and then he brought me this and flowers. I think I know. Let's guess. Chocolates, duh. Because Pure Pains chocolates. That's fine. I had to check if my phone was recording. Or that is wood. It's safe. Okay, and then let's open my chocolates. Guys, so I sent him a TikTok. You send a little TikTok. Oh, lo chocolate, lo ice cream, lo.
This is
So I saw this video and then I'm sending that. Well, I asked for it because I'm sending video, but I didn't think because of phone out all. You know how men are. Thank you, baby. I love you. Guys, so yesterday I was sick, guys. I had Pure Pains and I can't go a terrible headache. So guys, I relaxed my hair. So it scalp I'm still very sensitive. And that's why. Show me. Yeah. Ngiyamthanda Chomi. Bye bye. Uthi ngibonge kuye fast. Shab. That was my friend Onambuz. Angakadli kuthi namhlanje. Asibudini. I want to say something about ice cream chocolates. How can you buy lenda kanjena? Ngisebenza ukufika usiduru. Hawu ngathi ngivule ngaphansi. Yeah. Azobanda kamnandi. Angisagula right. Angisagula. But I'm so thankful. It's so nice. Timing perfect. Now I can go to work. But I'm canceling on shoes and I'm catching in show room sitting. Love. My Pure Pains are separated. And I show you guys my Pure Pains are separated. No, it's been cooler. This one, Saintly, no one can be the tavern. Payment too. Nothing is on the good. Open Get is bad. Get is bad. Yan. So 15. So that's 8 inside. ngizokhona umngane wami. Sengicabangile nombuso ngenze umuphi. Ngamthengela u-ice cream azangasawudla. Ngiyamsana. So mina aqala aqede lo. Then. Yeah guys, so let me change my bedding. I was supposed to change the bedding as well because it was Sunday, but I didn't because being some 17. So I'm just gonna change the bedding, shower, and I'm 17. Okay. I'm gonna my fairy. So my manager is complimenting me ukuthi umsebenzi ngosubmit on time yabo. So banginikeze campaign and bangirash ukuthi kumele ngisubmit. Imagine getting a brief on Friday and you have to submit on Monday. Because I had work, so ngampintsha ngaphusha usona leso siminyaminya leso ngasubmit already. Either data sensubmitile and I'm busy editing the second video. So smile. But I was still telling you about umakhelwane. So umakhelwane after the xabana angibaziswa bangani bayaxabana and i-couple lethu lela kanjani bayaxabana. So sizwa unombuso oqala, I think the leader was crying. The nombuso asayibulalela bese ngiyezwa nami how ngempela actually ke shembe ngiqala ukuzwa into kanjalo ngale kubona. And then hayi silale begcine sebethule zama ukuphuma kasifuna ukuzolalela but mazolo umnyango vele kuthuleke yabo. And then musungijaja because you were going to do the same thing or when uzohamba uyohlala phambi komnyango wabo uzolalela yabo. And then namhlanje izolo uzosakuthi namhlanje hayibo uwesike namhlanje ntomazana khala kakhulu ke lokho kuserious wakhala nje uyakhala yabo. Noma bekhuluma belokhuluma ukuthi why you doing that yabo lokukhuluma kanjalo ubukhala ubukhuluma bengeza ukuthi kahle hle kusuthini but ubekhuluma nje yabo. Then I called the security because cabanga mase ngivuke kuseni ngivuke ukuthi umuntu esifazane ushonile ngale owesilisa noma bathu ushonile phakathi kwabo bathu and mina ngibazwile bexabana and I didn't do anything. At the same time ayikho into bengayenza mina bengivuke ngihambe ngiyothi hey ngixabanela angeke ngiyenze le nto. I've done it and ngasebenza ngisahlala emaboningi how sabiza ama security intombazane yaxabana nathi ba right nendoda yakho. Indoda yakho isigwajisa mayisibona, indoda yakho isigwajisa mayisibona. My little sister will tell you about this story. That's my favorite version. So nje no bengengikwazi ukuya khona and I'm just a girl. So yeah, ngivele nje guys, I've realized what I like saying so and awupheli so ngizina mhlawumbe uzothi I'm not going to work today, so it's in the statement. It's in so what? But it's fine guys, it's fine. Ngikhuluma kanje nje ngidaliwe. Ngicela ningithande nginje ningamkele. Thank you. My energy is very low guys. Niyabona because I'm not okay. But senginamablomo should sengi okay. Icacile abantwana benkosi. Ngicacile mind you ukuthi ngiyashap. And I feel like some people don't hingi. Woo! Ngibule sweet. Omningi ngampeng.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
morning. Ninjani. Sigcina nini guys? Sigcina ngiphethe ama period pains, right? Awusangiphetheke igirl. Ihilile igirl. You're right. Sivukile namhlanje manje siya e-mall ngoma nombuso. Sizoya eWimbi because khona izinto engincane nje ngifuna ukuzenza, ngifuna ukwenza ne-poster nje. Because I really hate poster AI nkosi yami. Ave nginyanyisa guys, wrong leyo nto le. And also you want us to support your business but ngapha ufaka i-poster AI futhi ebonakalayo. Hayi ngeke. Faka uCanva. Khona labo gold abaqhamukayo kwi-poster AI ubona ukuthi eChina futhi kuthiwe ayikho imisebenzi ezo-replacewa i-AI ezophuca abantu. Nathi kuzoba kanjalo futhi nje I feel like i-AI iqhamuke eChina. Ibona nje ama-China sifikele ne-AI. But I love it. How do you guys feel about music we-AI? Ngiyasaba mina ukusho kakhulu because I have a song nge-AI nami. But I hate AI music. I hate it. Hate is a strong word, I know, but I dislike it so much. Yeah. Mangithi ngingoma ye-AI ngicela ngigesi ukuthi ingoma yami iphi yona. Okay, angifihlile phela. It's not a secret. Oh, bengisasho ukuthi siya mall siphe sidla ngifuna breakfast yasewini. Craving breakfast yasewini. Siphuze neti and then sisebenze kancane and then senze into kumele sizenze. Sazoya nase-Clicks nje. This is a spend a day with me and the vlog gets izophelela la. On Thursday mele ngibona noSibarweni lo engikade ngamgcina. Mele sishuthe mina naye. And then weekend Ria go Durban. I love Durban. I really love Durban. So sizoya eDurban. Soma nani, vlogga nani, senze yonke into nani. Bye for now. guys sesiqedile ukudla. Le faculty yaphuma yonke indawo igcwele emlomeni ngoba ngigqokile. But I was saying, so guys, back in 2024 ngaboleka umalume wami imali, ngamboleka u-3,000. Bengakaze ngikhokhela le mali yami kuze kube namhlanje guys wangikhokhela. Yazi ungifayele imali ngesan wrong, ungifayele 5k. So leyo mali ngoba bengayibudgetele bengazi ukuthi iyeza sesiyoyidla nomngane wami siqede yonke njengamanje. Bad decisions, right? Yes, but uthi angisave imali ebengayibudgetelanga. Hayi. Ngiyayithenga and so I'm so thenga nani bona sesiyidlile sekusele malini. Yeah. Guys, I really hate ukuthi phone yami ihlale ithi igcwele. Ngikuthenge izolo wena. Phone usugcwele manini. Le pimple le iyangistressa ngayo and I am waiting for umbuzo ukuthi aphume sesiphethe. So sifuna ukushintshana sesiphuze itiye ngendlela exakile. Base kubalulekile ukuthi imali kamalume ayiphele. Mina ngizothenga isikibha sebhola sebafana ngizogqoka this Friday. Ave kuzoba mnandi. I hope ngizothola isize wami. Yeah, I think it's one of my businesses. I don't know. But I can really with it. It's the first stop, see Pep home and Satenga issued the lombete face mask. Nani, Nama pimple patch, about 178 rand. Yeah, obviously so far so good. So, which ones are spelling the price? I'm telling you, say Bafana. And I'm trying to do that because it's already staying in time. And already they're born. What's the price of this stone? I'm saying it's on updates of it. I don't think so.
Meeting dinner, guys. I don't think we are shooting.
So guys, so far, it's copyrights.
I doubt.
The purple suspended 60 rand each. But we could move like this is some Australians of him.
For now, it's food. The chocolates, none. And the caramel, yes. Just too good. Sorry.
The Air Studio I spent 2,707. Yeah, but I think we're going to talk to them. I don't think anything like clicks. So God. How this room is not expensive, 370. Now you're at home. Yeah, I think so. So for now, so I'm now plug guys, not skin side, pimple way. And then yeah, let's just end it there. But since I'm a page, I will say about promoter maybe. And you've been using it for 3 years now. 3 years. Living it until you try everything I try. One low. Guys, so there is a section I say clicks. and sikhokhe 126 rand and sesiyahamba because bese sidlile vele. I don't know, maybe we're gonna buy bread at Woolies. Do you need anything from Woolies? You know, advice now.
Yeah, we can buy bread.
Yeah, just gonna go to Woolies and buy bread and a few things, then go home. I hope I'm so I hope I get the shrimp and I'm probably. Bukan skipper sami. Nazo ngasithanda siyangimela. Love. This God is coming Friday. Ama patch nama what for the face. Yes, Chomi. So sibuyile endlini. Izinto esithengile. I don't think honestly so since unboxing or unpacking nani because nisibonile sithenga yonke into. What? Yes. So njengamanje sopheka. Chomozo usho sisodlani.
Hi guys, sizodla uphuthu nekabishi today.
Nyama.
Fake voros.
Even susana libe phakathi kumfino namalithotho eceleni.
Imfino.
Kuyikabishi.
Either way, ngaba phakathi ekabishini or libe ngaphandle. Kube ukuthi ngithwe.
Angikholwa ukuthi ngiphekela umuntu ophiki. Wena noDanya angithandi ukuniphekela but ngiyabaphekela because I love them. But umuntu angangitshela ukuthi okay I don't like 1 2 3 because ngiyathanda ukuthi ningitshela ukuthi okay angithandi in so that I can tailor to your taste. Ngipheke indlela wena uthanda ngayo, yabo. Abangitsheli uDanya, no mommy this is fire. Fire away.
Mina ngithini?
Unombuso uvela ngadla adle kancane sheshayeke.
Ayikho leyo nto guys, mina ngiyadla futhi ngiyaqeda ukudla. Another thing guys, angikho picky. But kunezinto othola ukuthi mhlambe yabo angiyithandi. But ayikho into osukwayipheka Thomi ngangayidla. Yini?
Khonto ke engayipheka wangayidla. Sengikhohliwe
Thomi ayikho. The only thing othola ukuthi mhlambe uthola izinto ephakathi kumabheka like
ama pickles.
I don't like them. Yabo izinto ezikanjalo. But ngiyadla Thomi. Into engayidla silapho nje siqa.
Which is understandable. So let's cook. the end of our vlog. I hope you enjoy the vlog yami. Please comment, subscribe, do the most. So says Lila Saketa, and this is our dessert. Number caramel. Yeah, sesiyolala manje. Angazi ngizonibona nisengenzani. But bye for now. Please subscribe and do the most. Sina 60k subscribers manje. I think Siguro 200k. I think so. Bye guys.